at eccentric footwear mirrors today's culture of bold self-expression, with young consumers embracing experimental designs across major brands. Jordan Brand taps into this trend through its Method of Make series, which reimagines the iconic Air Jordan 1 with futuristic twists. The latest edition, the Jordan 1 Low Method of Make V3 Dark Team Red, merges basketball DNA with tech runner aesthetics, pushing the boundaries of traditional sneaker style. Following earlier sail and black and silver editions, this new release showcases diamond-patterned mesh underlays in deep red, contrasted by overlays and swoosh logos in shiny metallic silver that nod to early 2000s fashion. Positioned as one of the boldest spin-offs yet, the silhouette caters exclusively to women, affirming Jordan Brand's focus on diversity in design. Scheduled for fall or winter 2025, the shoe will retail for $140, solidifying its place among statement-making sneakers.